Hey scientists, it's Kanisha again. I've almost finished cleaning out the science studio, except for one tiny problem. Okay, it's a big problem. I tried to pick up this huge bag of place sand by myself and well, the bag split open and now there's a gigantic pile of sand on the floor. This heavy sand is going to be a lot harder to pick up now that it's, well, a pile. And the worst part? I have to bring it all the way down the stairs. I think I'm going to need more than force to help me move this. Thanks, Mia. I guess it's not so bad. Oh? Mia says that maybe there are some simple machines that can help us with this problem. Let's learn about some of these simple machines. Then maybe we can figure out what to do with this pile. Simple machines help people push, pull, lift, and move things. You might hear the word machine and think of big diggers, power drills, or other loud, strong equipment. But simple machines are just parts of how these powerful tools work. Simple machines don't add force. Instead, they change the way the force moves to help things move more easily. We use simple machines every day to help us move things safely. In fact, you've probably seen or used a simple machine already today. Let's look at 3 different kinds of simple machines and how they work. First, we have the lever. A lever is a long bar that moves to help us lift things up. The lever doesn't give it force, we do. The bar pushes against a point to help us lift. Here, that point is the triangle. Then we lift. Seesaws are a fun type of lever. The long bar where we sit is attached to the point in the middle. The force of each person pushing off the ground helps raise the other one up. And shovels are levers because they push against the ground to help us pull dirt and other things up. Our next simple machine is the wheel. Wheels help things roll to move heavy objects more quickly. Cars, buses, and bikes all have wheels that help lots of people move. But wheels can help us do other things too. Can you think of a way that wheels help us in art? How might a wheel help us move paint more easily? A paint roller is a tool made from a long, wide wheel that helps move paint across a wall. We can push and pull the paint across big spaces a lot faster than with a brush. Wheels help us in a lot of ways you might not expect. Rolling pins help us flatten dough. This rolling slicer helps us cut up pizza quickly. And merry-go-rounds move lots of people around in a circle. Our last machine is a ramp. A ramp is a flat, slanted surface that helps us move things between high and low places. One of the most fun kinds of ramps is a slide. It lets us zoom down from the top to the bottom. But ramps aren't just fun. They help people too. Can you spot the ramp and one other simple machine here? Here's the ramp, and here are wheels on the wheelchair. Ramps and wheels work together to help us get up and down more easily. Ramps give the wheels a smooth place to roll instead of taking a big step up or down. I think we'll need to use all 3 simple machines to clean up this sand. Oh, Mia said she'd like to do the job. Thanks, Mia. She says we'll need a lever to lift the sand, wheels to help her move it around, and a ramp to carry it down the stairs. She's brought a wheelbarrow, a shovel, and this sturdy wooden board. She wants to know how you would use each tool as a simple machine to help her. Pause the video and tell Mia how you would use each tool. We'll watch what she decides to do when you get back. Mia used the shovel, a lever, to lift the sand up from the ground. She shoveled the sand into the wheelbarrow. The wheels can help her move the sand more easily. Last, Mia couldn't roll the wheelbarrow down the stairs, but she put the board on the stairs to create a ramp, which she could roll the wheelbarrow down smoothly. Wow, thanks, Mia, and thank you for helping us clean that mess. These simple machines are great on their own, but they help us move things even more easily when they work together, just like us when we cooperate. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the science studio.